Picture this, a world where you are the unstoppable force connecting businesses with game-changing opportunities and building your own financial empire. That's the magic of appointment setting. As an appointment setter, you're not just scheduling meetings, you're creating opportunities and transforming lives, all while reaping the rewards of your hard work. So why should you even give appointment setting a shot? Simple, it's your express ticket to financial freedom. Companies are more than willing to pay top dollar for skilled appointment setters who can help them soar to new heights. By mastering your craft, you can turn appointment setting into your personal goldmine and say goodbye to the mundane 9-to-5 life. Before we dive into the juicy strategies, let's lay down the foundation first. First, lead generation. Hunting down potential clients through various channels like social media, referrals, or purchase lists. Second, lead qualification. Assessing leads to see if they actually meet your client's criteria and have an interest in their product or service. And third, appointment scheduling, locking in meetings or calls between qualified leads and company representatives. And fourth, follow-up, making sure leads actually attend scheduled appointments and if necessary, rescheduling appointments. So are you ready to actually become a master at appointment setting? Here are the battle-tested steps to get you there. First up, sharpen your communication skills. Hone your conversation skills, active listening and targeted questioning to identify and qualify leads. Second, immerse yourself in your target industries. Get up close and personal with the businesses you serve and their actual unique needs. Third, craft a killer cold calling script. Design an irresistible script that builds rapport, uncovers opportunities and locks in appointments. Fourth, establish a productivity fortress. Create a comfortable, distraction-free workspace armed with a reliable phone and internet connection. And fifth, actually showcase your victories. Assemble an impressive portfolio of testimonials and success metrics that demonstrate your appointment setting mastery. Ready to unleash your inner appointment setting beast? Follow these epic tips to secure your spot at the top. First up, embrace persistence. Rise above rejection and continually refine your approach. Remember, every no brings you closer to a yes. Second, conquer multiple channels. Harness the power of email, social media and LinkedIn to connect with and captivate potential leads. Third, never stop improving. Stay hungry for knowledge, immerse yourself in industry trends and seek out the latest appointment setting strategies. And lastly, forge powerful connections. Network with fellow professionals, share wisdom and build a referral network to fuel your appointment setting empire. Now, whether we want to admit it or not, cold calling is the heartbeat of appointment setting, so let's explore some proven techniques to make your calls sizzle and land those appointments. First up, research your leads. Know your prospects inside and out so you can actually tailor your approach to their specific needs. Second, open with a bang. Start the conversation with an eye-catching statement that speaks to their pain points or desires. Third, use open-ended questions. Encourage prospects to share more information, allowing you to better qualify them and uncover opportunities. Fourth, handle objections like a boss. Be prepared for common objections and tackle them with confidence and finesse. And fifth, establish a clear call to action. Make sure your prospects actually know the next steps, whether that's scheduling an appointment or providing more information. Now, in today's fast-paced digital arena, technology is your secret weapon in dominating the appointment setting game. Here are some cutting-edge tools and platforms to help you stay organized, efficient, and ahead of the competition. First up, CRM systems. Use a CRM platform like Salesforce or HubSpot to manage your leads, track your interactions, and analyze your performance. Second, Calendly. Streamline appointment scheduling by actually allowing prospects to book appointments directly in your calendar. Third, VoIP services. Use VoIP services like Skype or Google Voice to make cost-effective calls and maintain crystal clear audio. Fourth, LinkedIn Sales Navigator. Use this powerful tool to find and connect with decision makers in your target industries. Fifth, time management apps. Actually keep your tasks and appointments under control with apps like Todoist or Trello. Now that you're equipped with the skills and strategies, let's actually talk about turning appointment setting into a profitable adventure. Here's how to set and actually achieve your financial goals. First up, determine your income targets. Set realistic goals based on your experience, industry, and time commitment. Second, develop a pricing strategy. Establish a pricing structure that actually reflects your skills, experience, and the value you bring to the clients. Third, track your progress. Monitor your performance, analyze your results, and actually adjust your approach as needed to stay on track towards your goals. Fourth, diversify your income streams. Expand your services or target additional industries to increase your earning potential. And fifth, invest in yourself. Use a portion of your earnings to invest in your personal and professional growth, such as attending industry events, courses, or purchasing new tools. And there you have it, your ultimate guide to appointment setting, mastery, and a life of financial freedom. By following these epic strategies and unlocking your inner potential, the world is your playground. If you're actually as excited as I am, go ahead and smash that like button, drop a comment, and share this video with your fellow freedom seekers. Subscribe to my channel to stay updated with more life-changing content. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.